Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to switch characters in Mortal Kombat when you're inside a battle. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up the Mortal Kombat game in your device and wait until it is fully loaded. Once the game is done loading, you can go ahead and start any battle, whether it can be a single player or a multiplayer battle. When you're inside a battle, if you wish to change your player, then you will be able to see the players on your left side of the screen. Simply tap on any player that is available and this will immediately switch your player into the other player that you just tapped on. You can repeat this process after the timer is gone, and then you can once again tap on your preferred character to switch characters within battle. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to switch characters within battle on Mortal Kombat. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.